So why MetaTrader 4 is the most popular platform for algorithmic trading? First of all, there is MetaTrader 5 as well, but still MetaTrader 4 is the most popular platform and I use it. Most of the traders still use MetaTrader 4. And later in the course, I will show you how to start using it step by step, and you will see that you cannot download it from the official website because they are trying to push the clients towards MetaTrader 5. However, tough job for them. Still, we, the traders, prefer to trade on MetaTrader 4. So MetaTrader 4 is really simple to use. I will dedicate a complete section to this platform. As I already mentioned, it is well known for algorithmic trading and it was developed a long time ago. So all the features about algorithmic trading, the backtests, the robots, the signals and the way they execute the trades were tested for a long time, okay? Many years, thousands and thousands of traders, algo traders just like me, were using this platform, and a lot of bugs and issues that were out there were fixed basically because of the community. They have a forum and there are quite many topics out there, so the people were reporting to the platform, to the team, and they have improved that. Another thing to bear in mind is that MetaTrader is an expensive platform. Okay, the last time I visited one of the Forex expos in Cyprus, the cost for one MetaTrader platform for a broker was about $75,000 per year. Okay, so the brokers pay $75,000 a year to the MetaQuote company, which is the developing company from MetaTrader 4, to offer this platform to their clients, okay? And many brokers use MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So imagine MetaQuote's company, they have a lot of money, okay? And they can afford a huge team to develop it, to improve it, to update it. Again, I say it looks outdated, but I guess they just put more efforts to the background of the platform, to the source code, how it works, rather than upgrading it to some fancy outlook just like the crypto exchanges do nowadays. However, the interface doesn't really matter for me as long as I'm able to trade with robots and I know that these robots execute the trades at the right place. For example, I had the signal from this Euro-Pound strategy, which I will show you a little bit later in the course, and I wasn't looking at the screen. This happened actually overnight. I was sleeping and I'm confident that the robot took the trade at the exact place and the robot placed the take profit for me. So to make it simple, I somehow feel comfortable using the platform with robots, okay? Because I know that it works. I have tested it. Again, thousands of traders have tested it. It is free to use, which makes it available even for complete beginners. If you're not planning to invest any real money, but you just want to practice, you can simply install the platform, open a virtual account, so you won't be risking your real money, and practice. You can do this for years if you want, as long as you will be comfortable one day to start real trading. All right, so if you have any questions, of course, let me know, but I will stick to MetaTrader 4 in this course because, one more time, it's a very trusty platform for algorithmic trading.